Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to mute anyone from your message box, just click on the messenger icon at the top right corner. Once the messenger application is opened up, you will see all of your chats within your messenger application. Once you find the person that you wish to mute from your message box, just long press on this conversation and you will now see the mute button. Go ahead and tap on this and you will now see various different options. You can either mute the notifications for messages and calls, or you can also mute the message as well as call and all notifications. Choose whichever option you wish and then tap on the OK button, and you will once again be asked for how long you wish to mute this conversation. You can choose from various different options, or you may also click on until I change it in order to change this manually. Then tap on the OK button, and now this person will be muted from your conversations on Facebook for your chosen time frame. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mute someone from your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.